Okay, it is our last day of Math Dailies 25, day 4. Forgot to write that on there. So we are looking at box 1. We have a story problem. Jake's dog weighs 24 pounds. So I wrote that on there. Liv's dog weighs 42 pounds. Jimmy's dog weighs twice as much, 2 times, Jake's and Liv's combined. How much does Jimmy's dog weigh? So we know that Jimmy's is twice theirs combined. So our first step is we would have to add theirs together. Jake's dog weighs 24, Liv's dog weighs 42 pounds. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6. So together, their dogs weigh 66. And then we know Jimmy's dog weighs twice that, or 2 times that. So this is step 1, this is step 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Put your 2, carry 1. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 132. So Jimmy's dog weighs 132 pounds. He's got a pretty big dog. Okay. Box 2 says write the decimal 54 100ths. So if we have 2 zeros here, we're going to have 2 digits behind the decimal here. So we're just going to put our decimal right there, and it will be 54. 0.54 is the same as 54 100ths, and I already put the decimal there for you, so if you can't see that. And we can put a 0 in front, but you don't have to. All right. Box 3 says decompose or break down 7/10 in 2 ways. So really, the answers could vary on this. You could say any 2 numbers that add up to 7, because our denominators are all the same, so we only have to worry about the top. So we could do 1 plus 6, or you could do 6 plus 1. You could do 3 plus 4, or 4 plus 3. You could do 2 plus 5, or 5 plus 2. So any combination, you don't usually have zeros in fractions, so you don't want to use 0 plus 7. But any other combination of add-ins to get 7 would be correct. And they can be in any order. Like you could put 6 plus 1 instead of 1 plus 6. So as long as your 2 numerators add up to 7, then yours is correct. All right, last we have round 320,152 to the nearest 10. So find your tens place. We know everything in front of this digit will stay the same. Everything after that digit becomes zeros. So we just have to look to the right to find out what's going to happen to this number. Is it going to stay the same and hit the floor? Or is it going to go up over the climb? So 2 tells us it's going to stay the same. 0 through 4 hit the floor. 5 through 9 make it over the climb, so it's too low to go up. So we keep these numbers, or these digits, the same. Keep this a 5 because this is 0 through 4, and that becomes 0. So 320,150 is our rounded number to the nearest 10. So check over all of your days 1 through 4, and if you're ready, turn it on the back and do your assessment or your Math Dailies quiz. And I think we're just going to have maybe 1 or 2 more days, 2 more weeks after this of Math Dailies. We're kind of winding it down, but I'm feeling good about it. We've hit fractions and decimals, multiplying, dividing, doing word problems with more than one step. So I think you guys are doing great.